Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best super clamp camera mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a videographer, photographer, or content creator, these mounts can be a game changer for your setup. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Jinsu Super Clamp Camera Mount. This mount is a versatile and budget-friendly option for anyone looking to secure their DSLR, action camera, or LED light to a variety of surfaces. It features a unique ball head design with a lower center of gravity, which provides better stability and supports up to 6.6 pounds of equipment. The clamp opening range of 0.4 to 2.2 inches offers compatibility with desks, bike handlebars, tripods, and more. Plus, the 360 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation makes it easy to capture shots from virtually any angle. The build quality is solid, thanks to its aluminum alloy construction, and the rubber pads on the clamp help prevent scratches on your gear. This mount also comes with a handy action camera adapter, making it a great choice for vloggers or travelers using GoPros or similar devices. However, with only 41 customer ratings, it's relatively new to the market, so its long-term reliability is yet to be proven. That said, users praise its portability and ease of use. The Jinsu mount is ideal for light to moderate setups, such as webcams or small cameras. While it may not handle heavy-duty professional rigs, it's a fantastic option for beginners or those on a budget. Its main drawback is the lack of advanced features like multiple mounting points. But for the price, it's a solid pick. If you're just starting out or need a lightweight, portable solution, this one's worth considering. At number 4, we have the Jabutu 22-inch Magic Arm with Clamp Mount. This mount is all about versatility and adjustability, making it a popular choice for creators who need a dynamic setup. The 22-inch articulating arm features 1/4-inch screws on both ends, allowing you to attach a wide range of devices, including video lights, microphones, webcams, and even smartphones. Its anti-deflection deadbolt lock at both ends ensures a secure connection, so you don't have to worry about your gear loosening during use. The design is sturdy, with aluminum alloy construction that feels durable and reliable. The clamp itself has a clamping width of 0.78 to 1.96 inches and features anti-slip rubber pads to protect your equipment and provide a firm grip. One standout feature is the individually adjustable joints, controlled by T-type knobs, which give you precise control over the positioning of your devices. This makes it an excellent choice for overhead shots, live streaming, or video recording. However, the Jabutu mount might feel a bit bulky for users who prefer a compact setup, and at nearly a pound in weight, it's not the lightest option out there. It's also slightly limited in its compatibility with surfaces, as the clamp's maximum width is narrower than some competitors. Still, if you need a flexible, adjustable mount for multi-angle shooting, this product delivers great value and reliability. Taking the third spot on our list is the Ulanzi Super Clamp Camera Mount. Known for its excellent build quality and robust design, this mount is a favorite for both amateur and professional photographers. The clamp can open up to 60 millimeters, making it versatile enough to attach to desks, bike handlebars, and even gimbal stabilizer rods. With a maximum load capacity of 3.3 pounds, it's perfect for mounting small cameras, LED lights, or microphones. Taking the third spot on our list is the Ulanzi Super Clamp Camera Mount. Known for its excellent build quality and robust design, the mount is a favorite for both amateur and professional photographers. The clamp can open up to 60 millimeters, making it versatile enough to attach to desks, bike handlebars, and even gimbal stabilizer rods. With a maximum load capacity of 3.3 pounds, it's perfect for mounting small cameras, LED lights, or microphones. With a maximum load capacity of 3.3 pounds, it's perfect for mounting small cameras, LED lights, or microphones. This mount stands out for its dual compatibility with 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch threads, making it highly adaptable to a variety of accessories. The 360 degrees rotatable ball head provides excellent flexibility for capturing shots at any angle, and the dense rubber padding on the clamp ensures your gear remains scratch-free. Made from anodized aluminum alloy, the Ulanzi Super Clamp is both lightweight and durable, striking an excellent balance between portability and toughness. On the downside, its load capacity of 3.3 pounds might be a limiting factor for users with heavier rigs. Additionally, while it comes with an action camera adapter, the lack of advanced features like multiple mounting points may be a drawback for some. Overall, the Ulanzi Super Clamp is a reliable, well-built option for users who need a straightforward, high-quality mount for light to medium setups. In the runner-up position, we have the newer 21-inch Magic Arm camera mount with Super Clamp. This premium option is designed for professionals who need a heavy-duty and highly adjustable mount. The 21-inch articulating arm features dual ball heads and multiple mounting points, including 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 5/8 adapters, making it suitable for a wide range of devices, such as DSLR cameras, monitors, and studio lights. The build quality is exceptional, with an anodized aluminum alloy construction that can support up to 33 pounds of equipment. The clamp can secure onto both round and flat surfaces, with rubberized pads providing added grip and protection. One of its standout features is the long lever, which allows for easy and secure tightening, even in tight spaces. This mount is ideal for overhead desk setups, studio lighting rigs, or any scenario where stability and flexibility are paramount. Although it's the most expensive option on this list, the newer 21-inch Magic Arm justifies its price with its robust build and professional-grade performance. The only potential downside is its heavier weight, which may not be ideal for users seeking portability. That said, if you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity mount, this one is hard to beat. Finally, taking the top spot is the newer Super Clamp with 3-inch dual ball head Magic Arm, model ST83. This budget-friendly option offers incredible value for its price, making it the best all-around choice for most users. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, action cameras, and DSLR cameras, thanks to its multiple mounting points, including 1/4 inch threads, RE locating points, and a built-in cold shoe mount. What sets this mount apart is its versatility. The dual 360-degree rotatable ball heads provide excellent flexibility, allowing you to adjust your setup for the perfect angle. The clamp can secure onto both flat and cylindrical surfaces, such as desks, tripods, and handlebars, with a gripping diameter of 0.6 to 2.4 inches. Despite its lightweight design at just 6 ounces, the ST83 can support up to 6.6 pounds of equipment. The aluminum alloy and stainless steel construction offer durability, while the rubber pads protect your gear from scratches. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, the newer ST83 excels in offering a balance of affordability, functionality, and quality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro looking for a secondary mount, this is an excellent choice that won't break the bank. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.